Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply crop your image to different shapes in Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring in your picture into Microsoft Word. Please, for that, what you need to do here is to make sure you go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, navigate to Picture, click on Picture, then go ahead and click on this device. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate the particular image you want to use. I'm going to use this image right here. Insert. Then just like so, we have the image inserted into MS Word. How can we crop this image into a different shape? So for that, what you need to do is come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on crop. Then go ahead and click on crop to shape. So you have so many different shapes here. Now, for instance, if I want to crop to this particular shape, I'm going to go ahead and select this shape. So once you select on that, you have it right here. So you can adjust and scale in and scale out the image as the case may be. If you want to change the shape right here, go back to crop right here and then go ahead and click on crop to shape. Then this time around, I can decide to choose this type of shape right here, and automatically it's going to be reflected into the shape, just like so. Go back to crop again and then crop to shape. So here you can choose any other shape as the case may be. I'm going to choose love shape this time around, just like so. Then we have the love shape right here. You can adjust the shape. You can scale in or scale out as the case may be. You can do different sort of things as far as this particular shape is concerned. You can add different kind of effects. Right click on it and go ahead and click on picture format. So under the picture format here, you can add different things in these particular sections. Here, go ahead and click on here. You can move the image, you can resize, you can close the tab as the case may be. You can also click on picture right here. This allows you to do different sort of things with the picture. You can also change the image color right here. You can use preset in different, just like what you see right here. You have different effect edits as far as this particular effect is concerned. You can close the tab right here. You can also make the image transparent. You can as well crop the image as far as this is concerned. You can also adjust the offset of the image right here if you want to adjust the position of the image. You can also adjust X and Y as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.